In this video, we're going to discuss how you can draw arrows on chess.com mobile. So you can find chess.com by downloading it on your App Store as well as Google Play Store. As you can see right here, I have in here this article about drawing arrows on the phone application. So as you can see, this user says that drawing arrows on computer is by right-clicking and dragging onto the mouse. However, onto the phone app, it's not supported yet, as of right now and also as of then. So as you can see right here, you can head over and see what it looks like. You can draw arrows and requires ability to right click and slide. So it's actually not applicable onto the mobile interface because it needs right clicking, which is only available onto the Windows or onto the computer as well. So there's no way to actually make this work, and you just need to actually play this on your computer. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.